Welcome to Baking Your Way Through Depression. I'm your host, DeAndre Griffin, and today we're going to be making a cheesecake New York style because I can't stop thinking about killing myself. See you in the kitchen. All right, everybody, welcome to the kitchen. This is my beautiful niece, Gabriella. She's making her special appearance. She wanted everybody to know she's making her special pepperoni sandwich.
Just pepperoni.
It's just pepperoni. Okay. So for this, you're gonna need a springform pan, which is this pan right here. Has a little thing on the side. You pop it. Okay. So you're gonna take 2 spoons of butter, melt it, and then put it into crushed graham crackers. 15 graham crackers to be exact, that need to be demolished. So take out all your angers, frustrations, aggression, all that stuff you got built up from years of, not saying what's on your mind, and just crush it all into that. As if a 6-year-old can do it, so can you. Be careful. All right, next you just press the graham cracker and butter mixture to the bottom of the pan. I like it to go up the edges a little bit so you get a little edge on the side of your cheesecake. But that's just me personally, how I like to do things. Next, we take 4 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of sugar, and mix them together. To make the cream cheese softer, I left mine out overnight. You can leave yours out for like a few hours and it should soften up enough for you to bake with it, so that it's not like super difficult, because I've done it with it coming fresh out the refrigerator before and it is not fun to deal with. All right, next you add 3/4 cup of milk in there and mix it again. And again, don't forget to scrape your sides, okay? Yep, next we do the eggs one at a time. Gabriella's gonna go ahead and put those in.
One at a time. Ouchie. Ew.
Egg number dos.
Egg number dos. Why does Herbert say cuatro? It's not cuatro, it's cuatro.
I don't know why. Number tres.
Tres.
Tres with the rolling of the R.
It's not tres, it's
No,
tres.
that stays.
It's
This goes in the trash.
all that goes in the trash.
She's making sure all the egg gets in there.
Oopsie. No, wait. Never mind. I always put an egg in there.
Number 4. You're getting further away from it.
I'm gonna drop. What?
Focus. Oh my God.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Girl, your ADHD is worse than mine.
What? What is that?
We have olive oil.
Attention deficit hyperactive disorder.
So you have bad attention.
I have a horrible attention span.
Sesame.
You said that you have a horrible attention to pain.
Span.
I'm just not.
Attention span. I mean the length of time that I could pay attention.
Ow.
That's because you have to open it, girl. That was the slowest I've ever seen anybody crack an egg. Why are you still looking at it like that?
Okay, it's too late. Stop!
We don't have olive oil.
Next, we have a 1/4 cup of flour, a cup of sour cream, and a tablespoon of vanilla. We mix all that up, and this is the last of what we need to put in before we pour it into the other pan. Well, it's pouring time. Ignore the children in the background. They are playing because they are children. Hey guys, not right now. Thank you. Goes in the oven for exactly 1 hour, which I have it set for. And then after that, it sits in the oven for another 5 hours. So 6 hours of cooking time total. So here we are. It has been 6 hours and we have cheesecake coming out of the oven. Let's check it out. Okay, it looks like it got a little crack in it while it was baking. So it's a little split there, but that's the cheesecake. I'm gonna chill it for a couple hours and then I'm gonna have a slice, okay? So this is our cheesecake. This is the first slice. I cut a little piece off of it for you, I know it came out all broken and messed up, but it's okay, we're gonna try it. All right, here we go. That's some good cheesecake right there. This has been Baking Your Way Through Depression. I'm DeAndre Griffin, your host, and just want to remind you that even broken things can be good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.